This iPhone case has a second screen on the back, and it adds up to 2TB of storage, called the SELFIX, made by a company called Ducati. It fits the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. On the back of the case is a 1.6-inch circular AMOLED touchscreen. That screen works like a mirror. You flip your phone around, use the rear camera to shoot your selfie, and frame the shot on that little display. Truth is, your iPhone's rear camera is a 48 megapixel system with a large sensor. The front camera is only 18 megapixels. And then there is the storage. The case connects through USB-C and has a built-in micro SD card slot. Pop in a card, you get extra 2TB of storage for photos and videos. Additionally, it also has a magnetic ring for attaching accessories. The retail price is $129. A robot just learned tennis and it hits forehand with 90% accuracy. This robot is called Unitree G1. It was trained by Tsinghua University in China. The AI system is named Latent. It studied only 5 hours of human tennis moves. Most practice was done in computer simulation. Then, the skills were moved to the real robot. Results: forehands at 90% and backhands at close to 80%. To read the full article, scan this QR code. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our next video, and like the video if you enjoyed it. 228 horsepower, 368 pounds. That's Ducati's new Superleggero V4 Centenario, and it's street legal. Ducati was founded in 1926. 100 years later, the company built this bike to mark the occasion, and they didn't hold back. Here is what you are looking at. Ducati took their Desmosediki straddle engine, bumped displacement from 998cc to 1103cc, and extracted 228 horsepower at 14,500 rpm in road legal trim. Slip on the optional Akropovich racing exhaust and that number jumps to 247 horsepower. The frame, wheels, swing arm and nearly every body panel are carbon fiber. And this is the world's first road legal motorcycle fitted with carbon ceramic brake disc, not carbon coated, actual carbon ceramic, the same grade of material used in MotoGP. Those discs are lighter, more heat resistant, and give you sharper turning response at the limit. Only 500 units will ever be made, and each one ships with a signed plate from the technician who manually tuned the camshaft timing by hand. Every answer you want about this one is already on Trendmenon. Point your camera at the QR code and read the full breakdown.
No one else lets you turn news into color.
A 300 outboard horsepower engine and 3 retractable wheels allows this vehicle to drive straight off the sand and into the ocean. The StabiX 250 is 25-foot adventure camper, that is, amphibious camper, that eliminates the need for a boat trailer entirely. It works by using an independent hydraulic land driving system that tugs the wheels out once you hit the water. Transitioning inside, you get a full kitchenette, a diesel stove, and sleeping space for 4 adults. This matters because it opens up remote coastlines and hidden lakes that are impossible to reach with a standard truck and trailer setup. It is the ultimate tool for total off-grid freedom. To see how this land-sea hybrid handles the wave, scan the QR code to read the full breakdown on Trendmenon. World's first self-balancing electric motorcycle has entered mass production. The Omoway Omo X uses a control management gyroscope. the same technology that stabilizes spacecraft to keep the bike perfectly upright at any speed, even when stopped or moving slowly. It features a modular design with swappable body panels, so you can switch between a classic step-through scooter, a street bike, or a touring version with luggage. Cameras scan everything around you, while smart softwares deliver adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot alert, and most importantly, a summon feature that straight to you with one tap. It reaches over 68 miles per hour, offers around 125 miles and charges wirelessly on a parking lot. Scan the QR code on your screen to read the full story on Trendmill. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more future tech updates, and share it with anyone who rides or wants. 3,800 pounds of downforce and a mid-mounted V12 engine define the new Berlinetta Veloce from Automobili Rodriguez. This Portuguese supercar marks the beginning of a brand. The debut of a brand dedicated to mechanical driving experiences. It works through a sophisticated aerodynamic system where the body itself acts as a wing, pressing the car into the pavement to maintain grip at extreme speed. This car matters because it rejects the trend of electric motors and digital assist, using a manual gearbox and the naturally aspirated engine to give you total control. We are seeing a return to pure engineering designed for the driver, not a computer. It is a rare combination of modern performance and an old school style. Scan the QR code now to check out the full article on Trendmill.
No one else lets you turn news into a digital product for just $1. For $1 a week, you get short, easy-to-read stories, and you can turn
10,000 different strength training exercises can now be identified and tracked automatically by a single wearable device. The fourth is a new fitness tracker designed specifically for weightlifters who want more than just heart rate data. It works by using high-frequency sensors that capture the specific movement patterns and vibrations of your muscle and the equipment you have. This means the device knows exactly what is a bench press to a deadlift without you touching it. Scan the QR code now to see the full specs and timeline. New AI-evolved robots can with forces 100 times stronger than a human can endure while maintaining perfect balance. Researchers use evolutionary algorithms to design a physical structure that prioritizes both extreme durability and agility. Here's how it works. It works by running millions of simulations where the AI breeds the most efficient mechanical joints and limb blends, resulting in a frame that can survive massive impacts and high-speed collisions. If you want to see this robot survive a high-speed crash test, scan the QR code to view the full article on Trendmill. Monogears just unveiled the laundry chair, a chair designed to hold your half-dirty clothes. Here is what happened. She turned the everyday habit of piling clothes into a product. Instead of a messy style, the laundry chair uses a rotating rail like a lazy Susan to hang up to 10 items neatly around the seat. How does it work? You sit on it like any normal chair. But when you've got clothes you don't want to wash yet, you drape them over the rail. The chair spins, keeping everything organized and aired. This invention matters because it solves a problem almost everyone has. The Kickstarter price is $879, with retail expected at $1,200. Shipping starts November 2026. Scan the QR code below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with anyone, and comment. I'll be looking forward to a great gesture from you. World's first private submarines just passed sea trial, and it's about to be delivered to its first buyer. Here is what happened. Dutch company U-Boat Works built the Super Sub, a 21-foot long electric submersible with seating for three. It uses 4 thrusters producing 100 kilowatts of power, giving it a top speed of 9 knots. That's 3 times faster than most personal subs. When converted, 16.668 kilometers per hour. So how does it work? Adjustable hydrofoils steer the thrust, letting the pilot dive at 45-degree angle and make sharp 30-degree turn. A panoramic bubble canopy gives passengers clear view, while sonar and onboard systems keep navigation safe down to 1,000 feet. This is no ordinary sub because it is priced at about $6 million with 8 hours of battery life and a 96-hour backup life support system. Want every detail? Scan the QR code on your screen to read more at trendmelon.net. Don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.